Today in this video, I will tell you how to set up Python in your PC. So first of all, you need to some apps like you need to one ID integrated development, or then or you need Python setup. So I will tell you how to start this. So for getting started, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos to your friends and from other relationships. Okay, so first of all, open your browser. I will use here Microsoft Edge browser. I will directly open it. It's still opening. So one thing I will tell you that for programming you need means not need any high specs PC. Means not you have already 8 of GB RAM or in NVIDIA graphic card. I have low specs means that's no specs to the like. I have a graphic card of Intel which is not which it is inbuilt graphic card and it's not type of graphic card because I have a graphic card. Its memory is too low. Means its memory is 64, and the RAM which is installed my PC is 4 GB. So here you can see there's an NVIDIA control panel. I will click OK. I will tell the best setting of NVIDIA in next some videos. So you can see it. It's not a aspect graphic card. So let's do our topic. Focus our topic. Okay. So when you open your browser, type Python download. Click here. When you click here, you can see this interface: Python programming memory, Python download Python, Python.org. I will also provide this link on description box, so you can follow this link on description. Okay. This will happen. I will call this tab. Now open a new tab and type VS Code David. This is the IDE. There are many IDEs, other IDEs such as sublime text, sublime text. I will search it and type sublime text. This is a editor, text editor, or notepad plus plus, notepad. Great spelling mistake. This is also the text editor. Here you can see it. Source tab, console editor. There are much more editors, but usually I use VS Code. I prefer you to use VS Code Studio or VS Studio because it is very lightweight and it's have inbuilt manufacturing as compared to other text editors. So when you open this on search bar, you will you will see this page. Okay, now click this download button. When I click this button, a new window will open. Wait for this one. Okay, no return to your old window. Okay, when you open this Python or the file, you can see this interface. Okay, you can download a latest pre-release. This is a pre-release version, which is released on to 24/10/1. This is not released. So our latest version is 3.12. So you will download it by just clicking on it. Okay, here it will come on there. I will see there. Coming. Okay, right. Oh, sorry. Back and then click on it. Okay, okay. Yeah, right. There is some. Okay, you can see there are many. There are Mac versions, some Linux, and other releases. Here you can select this. Sorry, this. If your PC is 32-bit or a 64-bit, select both which is suitable for your PC. How to check your PC bit? Come back, select refresh. Okay, open this PC. You can open it by right click on property. By clicking the properties, you can open the setting. Here you can see. Here you can see it. It's the format operating. at 64 bits at 64. You can see 64-bit processor, or my RAM is only 4 GB. Okay, so I need to download 64-bit operator. Yes, when I click on it, okay, okay. When you see this pop-up, just click on save and this will start downloading. Okay, I have already downloaded it, so I cannot download it. Okay, let's close it. Okay, now install ID. VS Code Studio. Just simple click on this. When you click this, tab open. Here, wait, yes, here, this is it. Wait for some second, they will automatically start already. Just save, click on it. It will ask me, this is not, this cannot be asked by you. Okay, so simply just put it. I will put it. You can download it if you are downloading it first time. Okay, let's close this. Close this. Okay, now these are two steps. Setup file. First is our Python file, and second is our VS Code user. Okay, first when I click on Python file, it will open. I will wait. Okay, I have already installed this setup, so I will see three options: modify, repair, and uninstall. Or when you install first time it in your PC, this Python in your PC, you cannot see this section. You can see customize or install. You click on customize, and here is the small line in which checkbox and tick it, in which says that it's added to the path, the exe. So click on it and customize, tick all the options, and then next tick all the options, and then start. Your setup will start after some time. Okay, then close it. Okay, okay, and open VS Code. Okay, when you open this Microsoft software license, you can see this page. Okay, if you ask or pop-up, click yes or no, then click yes. Okay, next, next. This is a very simple process. Next and next. Okay, so when they install, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Codify Crafts. So and if you get latest updates of programming, I will provide you the full course of Python in YouTube of my channel. So please subscribe it to get latest video. Okay, it will be starting installing. Okay, this is slow, so don't worry. It will take some time. Usually 1 to 2 minutes. Uh, okay, okay. I will wait for 1 minute. It will obviously complete it. Okay, okay. It will extracting file. Some files are this file extracting in a path. The path is showing. This is extracted in C. You can change its path. When you install it first time, you can they ask you to where you want to add. Okay, I cannot install open it this time. No, I will refresh it. Okay, I made this folder for you, Python series, and there is empty. So when I will move it to here, create a next file and shift plus, control shift plus enter. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, this time do it. And here I see basic Python. Python. Okay. First, then I will provide it as one. Okay. Now open this folder. Okay. Then right click on this folder. Right click and open the folder. When you do this, you can see a pop-up. Wait a minute. There will be opening. The cursor is blinking. Oh yes, it will open. You can see just this interface for your Python programming. Okay, here you can see your folder name. You can add a click here, new file. and uh, any name you want, but the extension of Python is .py. So I suggest you to make a Python file with main.py is uh, not is important and it is not optional. You can always need to write a file extension of Python with any filing. Here main is the name which you want to install. Okay. Now click. You will click it. Okay. Now here we will write a basic Python code to check if our Python program is working or not. Okay. So here I will see print and then shift plus bracket bracket and then semicolon and then I see hello world. This is a basic program of any language. Okay, and then click on it. You can see this three dot. You can see this arrow means uh, symbol. Okay, when I move cursor as this says run Python file and then click open. If this says to select our interpreter, then select our interpreter. Okay, okay. Here, this is a terminal. This is your terminal. You can see this. This is a terminal. Yes, our Python program works. Is hello world. If you check your Python is installed or not, then close it, refresh it. I will open a CMD by using Windows plus R. Yes, I can open it. Now simply type here Python. When you enter Python, click with this. Here they can see me, says me your Python version is 3.12.0. If I says it print hello world. When I uh, write it, this give me the output hello world. Okay. So I use exit function. Okay. Just tell me exit or control that. Then I click on, I will return to my main window. Okay. This is a way how to install your how to install Python in your PC or a laptop. Okay. If you want to coding in your mobile or a tablet, there is an app called Python. Okay. You can install it by Play Store. The method is very simple. By just type it on top search bar and type here PyDroid. Okay. So when you search this PyDroid 3, the app is come, install it, very easy method, and you can code this, which I will tell you in PC. You can also write this code in Python in your PyDroid file, which Python file. Okay, so I hope you will learn this tutorial. This is I will try my best to make this tutorial for you. I use easy wording to learn by you or understand by you. So I hope you will like my video. So please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it with our video friends. Thank you.